Hey guys, Jarrod here in the Fox Airsoft Tech Department today, and we're about to tear down the ICS M1 Garand. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do, remove the magazine. So now we're going to go ahead and take out the trigger group here, and we are going to remove the front sight. Alright, so we take that rear screw out, and then we go ahead and slide off the front sight. Loosen up the front set screw and slide off the front assembly and remove the spring right here. Next, we're going to remove this piece right here. Now we're ready to remove the stock. Next, we're going to remove the charging handle spring and spring guide. Now we're going to go ahead and push out this pin. Now we're going to go ahead and loosen these two Phillips screws that sit right in front of the hop-up unit. Now with those two Phillips screws out, we're going to go ahead and turn it over, and that's going to allow us to remove the outer barrel assembly and hop-up unit. Remove the charging handle. Remove the set screw for the mag release button, and also this Phillips screw that's mounted to the receiver right here. Now we're going to flip the gearbox back over, and we're going to remove the two Phillips screws that are on the right-hand side of the receiver. Now we're ready to go ahead and remove the upper part of the receiver from the actual gearbox. Remove the two screws that hold the trigger transfer bar in place. And we're going to go ahead and remove the transfer bar itself. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove the two screws that hold the motor onto the gearbox. Separate the motor from the gearbox. Alright, now we're ready to remove this top plate right here. Next thing we're going to do is remove the spring guide screw on the back of the gearbox. Next, we're ready to remove the remaining screws that hold the gearbox shell together. Ready to go ahead and separate the two sides of the gearbox shell here. Alright, so let's take a look at what we have in here. So first of all, 8mm bushings. Next, let's check out the piston. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the spring and spring guide. And ICS used their orange POM piston that has the rear tooth removed already to correct the angle of engagement. It's a full ported piston head, as well as having a bearing. We've got ICS's steel gear set. Let's go ahead and take a look at the cylinder set here. Tappet plate and nozzle. And this nozzle has an O-ring air seal. Really like that. Get your standard cylinder head. We thought you guys might enjoy a side-by-side comparison of the ICS M1 Garand to a real World War II Springfield Armory M1 Garand. So as you can see, ICS did a beautiful job of matching the original. So I'll go ahead and show you some comparisons here. Go ahead and rack the bolt back. And then here we have our ICS. Go ahead and take a look at the bolt area in the rear sight. So as you guys saw earlier in the video, the ICS chronoed at about 440 feet per second with a .2 gram BB. The Springfield Armory shoots about 2,800 to 2,900 feet per second, so pretty close. Check it out at foxairsoft.com.